Good morning, everyone. Hello, Howji. Hi, Jorge. Hi, Gael. Hi, Ricardo. Hello, Joshua, Tyler, and Gigi. We're going to get started on our morning meeting. Today is June 17th, 2020. The month is June. The date is the 17th. And the year is 2020. Yesterday was Tuesday. Today is Wednesday. Tomorrow will be Thursday. The weather is sunny and warm. Check outside your window and see, is the weather sunny? Do you see clouds? If so, maybe the weather in your area is partly cloudy. And check, do you feel warm today? Or do you feel a little cool? Maybe you need a jacket. The season is spring, but we are 3 days away from summer. How are you feeling today? Our emotions that we can choose from are scared, happy, sad, angry, excited, worried, surprised, silly, and frustrated. I am feeling excited today. Let me know how you are feeling. And also, please work on your StarFall calendar when you have time later. Bye-bye.